Hello, my name is Asia Roberts. I'm a member of the Spalding High School chapter in Georgia, and today I'll be participating in the Teach and Train STAR Events Level 3 as a senior. Questions that are frequently asked to children throughout their entire school career is: what do you want to be when you grow up, and how do you plan on accomplishing your goals in the future? These questions are often left unanswered, which is completely normal. The planning process I decided to take is to do a virtual portfolio. Virtual portfolio allowed me to share my portfolio with my advisor due to the fact that we're not in school because of COVID. The career exploration of elementary school teacher will be a minimum of a bachelor's degree in elementary education, which involves child development. After gaining your degree, you will then move on to an internship in the grade level class that you would like to teach in the future. Finishing your internship, you will move on to get your license through the Board of Education to be able to work in Georgia. An entry-level job at an elementary school would be a teacher, and a professional advancement would be administration, assistant principal, and principal. Those jobs will require a minimum degree of a bachelor's degree in some form of teaching, teaching experience in a classroom. Skills that teachers possess are great communication, organization, creativity, and patience. For my self-assessment, what interests me in becoming a first grade teacher would be the chance to grow in a relationship with my students and to let them know that they have the ability to do whatever they put their mind to. They are powerful and they can do anything they want in life. The skills that I hold that leads me to think that I'll be great in this field is organization, patience, and determination. For my lesson, I decided to teach children how to add and subtract within the range of 20. The first activity I chose to do uses flashcards and gummy bears. The children were able to model the problem using gummy bears and visually were able to see how the problem was broken down right in front of them. The second activity I chose to do was to use a deck of cards. The children were able to choose 2 cards from a deck, and whether I hold up an addition sign or subtraction sign, they use the shapes on the card to solve the problem. This also gave the children a chance to visually understand the problem in front of them. The third activity I chose to do was to create a game board and use addition or subtraction flashcards. Using the flashcards, the children modeled the problem on the card and the answer, and based off their answer from the flashcards, they were able to move that many spaces on the game board. These activities gave the children a chance to visualize the problem in front of them and understand the steps of adding and subtracting numbers within the range of 20. One skill that I have learned from this project that would help me move on in the career of becoming an elementary school teacher would be how to manage time. One obstacle that caused challenges throughout this project was the ability of not being able to be in person for the shadowing or consulting with your advisor due to the fact that we're not in school because of COVID, but was fixed by electricity, gratefully. I was able to do the shadowing through Google Meets, and I was able to email my advisors whenever I wanted to make sure I was on the right track. I enjoyed this process with my whole heart, and it gave me a little taste of what it would be like to be a teacher at an elementary school. Bye. Thank you.